is?
I don't know. Are we going to see seals? I'm sure every day is a field trip day. I have no idea where we're going right now.
Look at some things and we'll come back for the show. But do you want to walk down or not? Walk down.
And she's actually cooking right now, but the little friendship bracelets, when it comes down to molting season, they tend to bolt up. That's just what they do. They get a little smaller, they get tight. So we have to snip them out, and then we just give them a bigger zip tie, like characteristics that they have. So if you actually notice, paddles have a lot of freckles on their cheeks. Continue having that mobility, but offer her a little bit more of like a support, you know? Kind of like a retirement home. They don't even know. And they do have a preference sometimes. So Pat's house one. No, you can get it. No, okay. Really likes Caitlin. For some reason, she loves Caitlin. And she's so small. I think she eats about like, give or take, maybe like 24 or 27 a day.
Oh my gosh.
She's a lot. Oh my god. I don't know where she puts it.
I don't think I could eat 24 fish a day.
No. Let me go ahead and give you a hearing for Floyd. He is a little nervous, but he will take it. Perfect.
Not nervous at all, right?
Oh, here comes Shim. So that's Shim. Shim is actually whatever's mate.
If they didn't have their markings, do you think you'd be able to tell them apart just by their personality? Like, are they very
Yes.
distinct?
Yeah. Sometimes you can definitely tell, just because of like the different characteristics.
Fishy.
Like
Watson.
the big, oh, that's Floyd. Good job, Floyd. You're doing great, buddy. He's so nervous. It's like a big deal for him. Come on, you got it. Shim, you can come out, buddy.
He's shy.
A couple of times. Oh, look who's coming. Oh, that's Gats.
Oh, too
You see that
scary.
little white spot in his tail?
Oh.
That's Gats. This is a single man right here. He's the one that's like super social. You got it right there. Good job. My goodness. He's probably just gonna stand there too and not do anything. He just likes doing that and he likes the attention. Good job, buddy. Thank you. Yep, keep him coming. He's
Good
a hefty
Lord.
bird. He's definitely he's hefty too, but he's a little shorter. And I think because he's short, like little groups. They do, yeah. So like whatever in Shim, they hang out in that area, and they only allow a couple of birds to hang out as well. It's not to like pick at like each other. Wow. And then they actually go ahead and stand on one foot, which is great for them. Good job, girl. Oh, okay. Good job. Oh, okay, whatever. Bantam, that's what we call him. He's so cute. He loves it. Good job, buddy. Here, we'll give you another one. You'll definitely take it. Okay. But they're just not live fish. So they are just the same fish that they have. Dad sometimes eats because he's just bored. And I understand that. Yeah. You know? Yeah, whatever's actually the smallest one, but she's the oldest one. She is about 25, I think.
Wow.
26.
How long do they live?
That's a good question. So,
why we want to step on one. So give them a little warning and they'll get out of the way. But that is the way they defend themselves, is by hiding. By hiding. Remember?
Here at the aquarium, fish, krill, and other invertebrates. Observations throughout the day, similar to what they would find in the ocean.
Where are we going?
So we're headed to Koreatown for a little staycation because our landlord is kicking us out because he has to fix the sewer main and he asked us to not use the bathroom.
get stuff for breakfast.
언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까 Feels like daydreaming 너와 있을 땐 난 I love my life 사라지지만 나의 전부 그 chemistry 이상 너보다 더 힘들었을 때마다 늘 함께 했던 너 눈이 마주쳤던 그 순간 생각이 고요해 우리 둘 사이의 텔레파시 바라보고 있는 날 봐 Someone like you 한눈에 알아본 넌 나의 replica We don't need to see each other To know that we're on the same wavelength Oh yeah Why can't we just meet tomorrow 아직도 난 아직도 날 찾고 있어 매일이 매일이 난 네 생각하다 잠들어
Good morning. Today we're going to Wee Spa since we're still not allowed at our place. I won't be able to record that much, if any at all, but I'll let y'all know if I get any treatments or anything done like that. I think we're just gonna hang and yeah, let's see how it goes.